What's up, Tech Trends crew? Ever feel like your fingers have a mind of their own when you're in the terminal? You type a command with confidence, hit enter,
Bam! Yep.
error message. We've all been there. Well, today I'm going to introduce you to a tool that's not only incredibly useful, but also hilariously named the F. Yes, you heard that right. This little gem tries to guess what you actually meant to type and magically corrects it. Get ready to say goodbye to frustrating typos. So, what exactly is the F? In essence, it's a command line tool that you invoke after a failed command. It analyzes the error message and your previous command, then attempts to figure out the correct version and executes it for you. It supports a vast array of common mistakes, from simple typos in command names and arguments to forgetting sudo or incorrect file paths, like having a smart, slightly cheeky assistant right there in your terminal, ready to fix your blunders. Alright, let's get this magical tool installed. The installation process varies slightly depending on your Linux distribution. For now, we'll open our terminal and type. Once installed, there's one crucial step. You need to configure your shell to use the F. Add the following line to your shell. Now for the fun part, seeing the F in action. Let's try some common mistakes. Forgetting sudo. We've all done this. Try running a command that requires root privileges without sudo, like apt-update. You'll get a permission denied error. Now, type F. The F will likely suggest sudo apt-update. Incorrect file path. If you try to cd into a directory with a typo, like cd documents instead of cd documents, the F often figures it out. Try experimenting with your own common mistakes and see if the F can handle them. You'll be surprised at how often it gets it right. The F is an open source project, which means it's community driven. If you're a developer and you encounter errors that the F doesn't yet handle, you can contribute by writing new rules and submitting them to the project. This helps make the tool even more powerful for everyone. Check out the project's GitHub repository for contribution guidelines. Let's be real, there's a certain satisfaction in typing F after a frustrating error and seeing it magically resolve. It's almost like the terminal understands your pain. Share your funniest, the F saved me moments in the comments below. A simple yet incredibly effective tool that can save you countless keystrokes and a whole lot of frustration in the terminal. It's easy to install, fun to use, and surprisingly smart. If you're a regular command line user, I highly recommend adding the F to your arsenal. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Tech Trends for more awesome tech tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Thanks for watching, and happy and less error-prone coding!